Welcome back to Wheelwise Joe, and in the next 5 seconds you're going to find out why the new 2026 Honda 4TRX Rubicon 500 might be one of the smartest ATV choices you can make this year. If you love reliability, real off-road performance, and machines that just don't quit, stay right here. Today we're talking about the 2026 Honda 4TRX Rubicon 500, an ATV that continues Honda's legendary reputation for durability while adding modern refinements riders actually care about. This machine is built for people who work hard during the week and ride even harder on the weekend. From muddy trails to rocky climbs and long days on the farm, the Rubicon 500 is designed to handle it all without drama. At the heart of this ATV is Honda's proven 500 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine. It delivers smooth, controllable power rather than aggressive bursts, which makes it perfect for technical trails, towing, and all-day riding. Honda's fuel injection keeps throttle response crisp in cold mornings, hot afternoons, and high-altitude conditions, so you don't have to worry about performance changes when the environment shifts. One of the standout features of the 2026 Rubicon 500 is its advanced transmission options. Riders can choose between Honda's automatic DCT or a traditional footshift setup. The DCT offers seamless gear changes and rock-solid reliability, making it a favorite for riders who want convenience without sacrificing strength. Add in selectable two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and locking front differential, and you've got an ATV that adapts instantly to whatever terrain you throw at it. Suspension and handling are where the Rubicon really shines. Independent rear suspension helps keep all four wheels planted, improving comfort and control over rough ground. Whether you're crawling over rocks, cutting through deep ruts, or cruising forest trails, the ride feels stable and confidence-inspiring. Honda's chassis design also keeps the center of gravity low, which translates into better balance and less rider fatigue. Durability is another big reason riders trust the 4TRX Rubicon name. From sealed brakes to robust skid plates and high-quality components, this ATV is built to last for years, not just seasons. It's the kind of machine you buy once and rely on for a long time, which is exactly what Honda fans expect. Here on Wheelwise Joe, we appreciate ATVs that offer real value, and the 2026 Honda 4TRX Rubicon 500 delivers that with proven engineering, versatility, and unmatched dependability. If you're looking for an ATV that works as hard as you do and still brings the fun when it's time to ride, this Rubicon deserves a serious look. Stay tuned because we'll be bringing you more honest ATV insights right here.